All right, hello. It's been a hot minute.
A couple months.
Yeah,
just
but
a few.
there's a good reason why. So this is an official P1 project build update. We really have had kind of a slowdown in terms of the arrival of parts.
Yeah, to be fair, we've been waiting for 2 specifically.
Yeah, well, obviously the carbon fiber tub, but also a Gen 3 battery, which, as you can see right there, still sealed. We have not opened this.
Factory sealed.
Kenny has the crowbar, and we're about to get into this thing. We're super excited. Just a couple quick notes. So I was reading this. So first of all, it has multiple warning signs on it about electrical shock. So we're going to be super careful there. But this is straight from McLaren. Probably something fragile in there. But anyway, we'll open it up. We're going to let you guys literally take a look at this at the same time as us seeing it for the first time. We have no idea what to expect, but we're going to try and avoid largely the use of metal objects while opening this very large, super powerful battery.
Yeah, we're just going to be a little bit careful this time.
All right, let's get into it. First of all,
Nice.
I literally feel like this is like, if you guys have not seen the first Indiana Jones movie, like seriously, you're not going to get any of these references.
We're up there with that right now.
But we're about to dig into like the whole Ark of the Covenant here. We have literally, we're just cutting it now. Oh,
that's pretty exciting. That's really
here,
exciting.
you do one. You do one. You do one.
Oh,
Careful.
wait, I get to do one
yeah,
too?
your knife. Okay.
All right, my knife. Thank you.
Oh, okay.
Snap! All right,
there
we're
we
off to
go.
the races.
All right, now we'll take this giant thing. We'll get this thing bent out, get it up. They didn't have to do this in Indiana Jones, but pretty freaking cool. Pry this open. Kenny, you really should be doing this. I don't want to.
What young manual labor here.
That's right.
Right. Ready? Oh, wait. Okay. Now we lift. Oh.
Oh, for crying out loud.
Okay.
Cardboard.
That was
Here,
not
hold
as,
on, let's
yeah,
put that
leave
right
it that
there.
way. That was
Okay,
not as-
we'll do it again. We'll do it again.
Ready? Okay.
Oh, come on. Super.
This is anticlimactic. Yeah,
Big
this
time.
is, okay.
Foam.
McLaren foam.
So we paid a lot of money for a big plastic bag that I'm really nervous about. Oh, no, touch it.
It's not going to like immediately shock me touching it. You don't,
Okay.
I don't
hold
think
on.
it's that dangerous.
All right, let's.
How do we pull this out? Oh, it's 180 pounds. I forgot.
Yeah,
it's
it's like
kind of dense.
It's like a dead body.
Yeah. Do we want to hoist before we?
No. Are there directions?
No, there are really no instructions to this thing. Okay. Yeah, McLaren doesn't really send you like a how-to guide with this. It's more like,
No.
you did it.
Okay.
Are we ready?
Yeah. Nope, we're not ready.
No, we're not ready. We're definitely not ready.
Hand me the little pry bar there.
Yeah.
Hand me that guy.
So much manual labor.
Really?
This whole like building a hypercar thing.
The second unveiling of the Ark of the Covenant.
Ta-da!
More foam.
Oh,
Wait,
yeah,
let's go this
awful.
way. Let's go
Oh,
this
let's
way.
go this way.
There
All right.
seems to be some kind of bolts.
Seems to run on
and
some form of
screws.
electricity.
Exactly. Oh boy.
Oh man.
Should we just leave it in the bag and do another video? Okay, wait. Ready? Okay.
Oh. Oh man. Oh, that looks so cool.
Oh yeah, danger high voltage. There it is.
Yeah,
right
there is the,
yeah.
Do not unplug. That's a fun thing to read.
Okay, so a bunch of glorified laptop batteries and some carbon fiber. Got it.
Admittedly, an amazingly small package. That is really impressive.
Itty bitty living space. Yeah, no, that's super cool. So
Now what?
that only took a year.
Yeah, exactly. A year for this.
Our superpower is patience, which is actually not true at all.
Not true. Not true.
Okay, so it looks like we got a little carbon fiber mount here. And then definitely runs on some form of electricity.
Yeah, good estimate there.
Yeah, it's very
Okay.
cool.
Well, the bright
Very,
side
very
is
cool.
we do know where this hooks up into our engine, so that's
Yeah,
pretty cool.
Look
there's
at
a few
that. Okay,
connectors.
so no touchy, basically. That's what we're gonna do. But this is cool. It's 180 pounds-ish. It's good. Just a couple other quick notes. It says dielectric oil. Good to know.
Yeah.
And comically, basically the iPhone charger port right here is about yo big around that we plug in. But
gigantic.
we know that this guy plugs into that guy because it has the same plug thing. But we'll obviously read the manual first. So there you go.
Take a couple looks and
Yeah.
check again.
I'm excited. This is great. A battery.
Now all we have is one piece left.
That's it.
Tub.
I mean, there you go. So we'll just put this thing in a bag and we'll wait for the tub.
Wait for the tub. That's it. Yeah. Problem solved. And then we have to, like, you know, build the car. But
so construction-wise on the battery, interesting. I mean, you basically got right here the danger high voltage that Kenny had his hand on. And then right here you have the coolant in. And so this is just where you run cool. There's a whole radiator system underneath this. Obviously, these batteries get really hot, number one. Then it looks like you've got 5 banks of batteries, maybe times 2. And then you can kind of see where the cells are stacked up on the side. It looks like just a crap ton of laptop batteries is what it looks like. But it's got, let's see here, nominal voltage, 528. Wow, that is crazy. 50 kilograms, very, very heavy battery. That's not 180 pounds. I don't know why they said that, but okay. And then, of course, has the warning, do not put in garbage can. So we'll do that. But this is, by the way, this is Gen 3. There was Gen 1, Gen 2, and Gen 3 of these batteries. This is a brand new, from McLaren, from the factory, Gen 3 battery. And the whole idea behind it, I mean, I was trying to talk Ryan, our lead mechanic here, into putting this battery into VP4, the P1 that is built currently. And we take that one and put it in the other build. But then Ryan explained to me the hellish nightmare scenario that would ensue if we did that. So this guy is going in that guy.
oh,
You good?
yeah, no, I'm good.
All
now.
right, so real quick, outside we've got our tester tub. It's the one that we got from, what was it, a 675?
Somewhere, yeah.
No, I think it's a 675 or an MP4 tub.
They're all the same.
Whatever, it's the same tub.
Yeah.
Anyway, we have that sitting outside. We're gonna go out there just to give you a quick peek at where this battery will sit inside of the whole tub configuration. So let's go.
Cool.
Okay, it's windy out here.
It's a little windy.
Yeah, but this is,
Whoa.
wow, there we go. It's windy out here. This is our kind of tester, beat the crap out of it tub here.
We're not going to be using this. This
No.
is 675 tub.
No.
It was educational purposes. We're
If
not
someone
using
wants
it.
to turn this into like a video game,
Racing sim. Go
racing sim, absolutely. But this bench right here is the mount for the battery itself. So just wanted to give you a peek in terms of where that will go. So when we're putting together P1, you'll get to see it again, but this obviously will give you a sense for where it goes. I feel remarkably safe around this incredibly large, possibly dangerous battery.
I don't feel as safe as
You don't feel safe?
No.
I do.
No.
I totally feel safe. Well, glad you joined us for the update. We are super excited to get our hands on the carbon fiber tub, and then we're gonna get going.
Finally off to the races.
That's
so
right.
Looking forward to it.
LFG.
Yes, about time.
You taught me that. We will catch you on the next video. Join us next time, and hopefully that is the tub update.
See you in the next one, you guys.